Welcome to Track 3D. We'll show you how to effectively compare timeline with reality within your project. To begin, open your project and navigate to the specific level you want to compare. Once you're at the desired level, click on any of the capture points from the plan. This action will reveal an image card with Split Image and View Image options. Click on View Image to open the captured image. With the image open, locate the drop-down menu at the top of the screen and select Compare. This sets up a split-screen view, displaying the reality on the left and your design on the right. To compare, you can click on the calendar located at bottom to change dates as you require and simply move the reality image. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact us at support@track3d.ai. Thank you for using Track 3D.